गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम में पैराजंबल्स को सुपर इजी बनाने के लिए लेट्स कंक्लूड आवर 3 स्टेप मेथड। स्टेप 3, टनलिंग इन। देखो पैराजंबल्स के पैराग्राफ्स जनरली एक वी स्ट्रक्चर फॉलो करते हैं wherein a broader idea is mentioned first and then it goes down to specifics later. So whenever you're confused how to order sentences, look at the broader sentence. It will always come before the narrower one. Alright, let's go back to the example that we have been solving. So until now we figured that sentence 3 is going to be the first one because it is independent. Then we determined that sentence 4 will come next because it has some repetitive words that match with sentence 1 and 2. Now when it comes between arranging 2 and 1, let us look at the same tunneling concept. Sentence 2 says these parts all fit together into an integrated, well-ordered system. Now sentence 1 says the belief in harmony of nature. Now this integrated, well-ordered system and harmony is the same thing. Basically when you have lot of parts coming together, then only harmony can be achieved, right? So if you look at broader to narrower, you will realize that the parts are broader, and when you establish the harmony in them, you are going narrower. So it means 2 will come before 1, broader to narrower. Now this is how you conclude solving your parajumble. Now a pro tip. After arranging the sentences, read them in that order to ensure they form a coherent story. And that's how you lock in a parajumble. Now there are some chota add-ons dedicated to specific cases that make parajumbles even easier. I teach them in detail in the course. So if you want to learn VARC for CAT from me, reach out to us, we'll let you know the details.